Welcome to my course. I'm Dr. Radhika Vijay and this is the second course on English speaking skills. And I'm glad that you have come so far to preview this promo video and you are definitely planning to take up the course. So I'm going to tell you what all you learn if you take up this course. If you take up this course, you will learn how to converse good manners in English speech and language, how to improve your speaking skills, how to make exclamatory remarks, how to make exclamatory expressions, and you will also learn how to define and how to use very beautiful, short and smart phrases in your speech and your conversation, and how to make it more fluent, effective and impressive. So are you ready for the course? Do also enroll in my other courses like the English Speaking Skills Part 1 and whatever upcoming courses part. Looking forward to teach you real English speaking skills. So what are you waiting? Just enroll in this course. Ask your friends, colleagues and family members too to enroll in this course and derive the maximum benefits out of it. It is so easy now to learn communication in English, because you can really master any language that you are determined to do so. What you speak is what you are. Thank you.